Hey guys, this is Crystal from the Daily Motorcycle Cafe. I'm on a ride right now with my dad. We're going to be going up to Skyline Drive in New Jersey. My dad's riding a Honda Hawk, and I'm riding a Yamaha R3. We should get some awesome footage today. Normally I ride in Florida, so it'll be nice to see a change of scenery. We're on the highway right now. We're getting closer to Skyline Drive exit. There it is. Exit 57. Right, here we go. We're getting off on a Skyline Drive. It's a beautiful day, so we should see a lot of bikes out today. Some beautiful curvy roads up here. This is such a change from what I'm used to riding on. I can't remember the last time I rode on a road like this. It's a popular destination not only for motorcycles, but a lot of people come up here to go hiking. I remember I used to come up here when I was 17. I would come up with a group of riders, a Ducati group. I would also come up with my mom and dad. My mom used to ride on the street too. We'd go for group rides. It was some good memories. This is a great place to practice your body positioning. One of the reasons I like doing track days is it taught me how to properly hang off the bike to best go through a turn. When you go through a turn, you don't want to just sit up straight up and down like a pencil. You want to really get your elbow out, get your head out, get your knee out, get your you want to make sure that you have your see how my dad's sticking his foot out on the left. You should actually have the ball of his feet on the peg. Oh, there. Okay, now he's doing it. I know my dad wants to pass all these cars. I know the only reason he's not is he doesn't want to lose me. Guys, just hanging out by the side of the road. When I follow my dad, I always try not to go, I don't always do it, but I try not to get right behind him when I follow him. Just in case he has to stop or something happens, I don't run over my father. We have a little bit of life up here. We have some businesses. My dad's gonna take off. Oh, he can't. There's another car. There it is. There's the lake on the left. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a little hard to see through the trees. Well, eventually we should get to a clearing at some point so you can see the lake. That guy back there said hello to us. That's a common biker thing. The cruiser guys don't always say hi to the sport bike guys. But most of the time they do. It's a pretty cool view right there. See the trees in the water. I'm not sure where my dad's going. I don't know if he's going left or right or straight. I don't think he knows. This road is gorgeous. Look, there's no potholes. It looks newly paved. We got a bike for sale over there. It's a little bike. Look at these trees. They go back forever. We got to be careful over here. It's not going to take much for a deer to just walk out. Yesterday on the bike, my dad had that happen. This is the best. There's not any cars in sight except for the one behind me. Got an open road right now. You smell the horses. There they are. Wow, we're not lost. That's amazing. Me and my dad are trying to find 23. We're both geographically challenged. So we're both concerned we wouldn't find this road. New Jersey bagels. Oh, I don't get better than that. got some bikers over there. I love this. Look at all the trees. I really miss not having this. I love Florida. Florida is beautiful. I love the beaches. I love you can ride all year. But there's nothing like riding with scenery like this. It's a big change for my father too. He's a daily commuter. He rides his motorcycle every single day. He rides it all year. The only time he stops is when there's snow on the ground. Now he rides in the rain, no problem. He has winter gear when it gets really, really cold. He recently got rid of his car just because he's a mechanic. He works on cars. He's worked on cars for something like over 30 years. But he'd rather ride his bike, so he gave his car away. That's a dedication right there. I think we'll make it. So we haven't gotten lost yet, amazingly. It is getting really cold. We got the Sterling Mining Museum coming up on the left. Don't know where my dad's going. There's a dirt bike. On bagels. We've reached heaven right here. There's nothing like a New Jersey bagel. Right, me and Dad took a break. Back on the road, we stopped for some bagels. This always happens. You get stuck behind a car or a group of cars going 2 miles an hour. There we go. That is a gorgeous building. I wonder how old that thing is. We have cabins up here. I love this road. You don't know which way it's gonna go. Alright, we're headed towards Port Jervis. I think we're finally almost there. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't really know. During this trip, I thought we got to our spot like 10 times. Oh my God, we're not lost. Wow, we found it, Hawk's Nest. That is shocking. I thought for sure we were lost. We're on our way to the destination. We haven't arrived completely, but we will soon. And we're here.